Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you the 3 easiest to get fragments to build the repair tool, because you need 3 scans of it in order to build it. So the first one, you'll need to kind of head to the northeast from the Lifepod, which is where we are right now. And we're going to be going really far to the northeast, maybe at a heading of around 60 to 75. And this is going to take us to the edge of the hot zone, kind of out in the middle of nowhere, where we can find an open sort of platform that contains one of the blueprints. In fact, I'm even going to say it's even a little bit more to just the general east of the Lifepod. So once you get over here, you'll see this open sort of platform in the middle of nowhere. It's next to this area that looks all spooky and volcano-y that you can't go to yet. And here on this platform is the first of the 3 fragments of the repair tool. After that, we're going to head immediately directly to the north, and we're going to look for a giant chunk of a crash-landed ship. Once you get to this giant ship chunk, it's kind of to the north, maybe a little bit between 330 and 345. And underneath of it, you'll find a giant hangar door. Inside of this hangar, you're going to want to go up inside of here. And then the next fragment of the repair tool is sitting right here. Now, the third piece, you have your option, depending on whether or not you have a sonic resonator. We're going to head immediately to the west. So if you do have your sonic resonator already, we're going to use it to get into another piece of wreckage on the surface. If not, I'm going to show you a special cave that will allow you to bypass the need for a sonic resonator, but it will require you to traverse a cave. So heading straight west past all of this wreckage and past these rocks and everything, you will find this downed wreckage right here, and in and around it, both on this side here and on the other side, you will see what looks like a blue glowing spider web. That's just something that you have to break using the sonic resonator. And then once you go inside of here, you will find the repair tool right down here on the floor. Now, if you don't have a sonic resonator and you're not sure where to get that sort of stuff yet, you can head back over here, back towards the east. And in front of this angel comb right here, you'll see this platform, and next to this platform, you'll find a cave with these green flowers growing out of it. Drive up to this cave, you'll see this black box next to it for Sing. Swim down here into this cave. Once you get down to the bottom, there is this little plugged up air spire. You can smash it open using your multi-tool. And then you got to go down this little cave, and then immediately hang a left, and you will find this bunker entrance. And inside of this bunker, on the table here, you will find the repair tool that you need to finish up your scans. Once you have all of those, you'll be able to craft your repair tool. They're relatively inexpensive. They just require a battery, titanium ingot, wiring kit, and some sulfur. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. That's where you find the different components to build yourself a repair tool. I hope you found this helpful. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.